My delicious lunch here at Doña Leach's in the market here in the city of Carmen. These are mole poblanos. I think they're some of the best I've ever had. I swear by them. A glass of nice sugar-free Jamaica tea, cold tea, refried beans, rice salad, fried plantains. Great deal. All this for about under $10. It's a beautiful space. The people are friendly. There's a breeze coming in from the water. I'll try to give a slight view of it. It's not that far. The water might be, I don't know, 100 meters away, the ocean. In the mornings here, from about, I don't know, 7 to 10:30, the dolphins come out and they're jumping here. You can see them from shore, from here, from eating if you come here for coffee. And what the dolphins do is they're considered, well, sacred by a lot of the Mayan people here because they fight off the sharks. And for that reason, you rarely hear of or even see sharks here. Further out they are, but right around here they don't come. So the dolphins come in every single morning, and there are some statues made to them too in the center. Dolphins, and there are shrimp. It's a great seafood place. Well, it's an island, right? So, with a great history, a fascinating history. I'm going to turn a little bit and forgive the shakiness, just so that you can see how close we are to the water. It's well worth a visit if you ever come here. There. And as I've said, the breeze is just beautiful. It's perfect. Nice place to sit, eat, write. There's free internet. You can work on your computer. And the market's here too, so it's a great place to spend some time. There's a great bookshop too nearby, which is just all about the local history. Books in English and Spanish, and Mayan, all three. Bon appetit.